comes to pull-ups, that's one of the basic beginner back building exercises. As a kid in elementary, we used to have to do chin-ups where the hands are placed under the bar. So when it comes to hand placement, you can do that grip where your hands are under the bar. You can do a neutral grip, or you can do the regular military style grip. Each grip affects a different body part. So the underhand and the neutral focus mainly on the biceps, but the overhand military grip focuses directly to the lats and the upper back. So whichever choice you decide, it will also carry over into other muscle groups besides the back.